Hello and welcome to Start of Such classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We know that quant is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most easiest one also, as it doesn't contain any conceptual complexity, rather than it only requires your computational and numerical skills. And it is the most high scoring portion in any competitive examination. So a sufficient amount of practice enables you to get high score in this portion. Okay, so let's start with the first question. A watch passes through three hands and each gains 25%. If the third sells it for 250 rupees, then what did the first pay for it? By fraction rule, we can say that first purchased for the selling price, that is 250, into the reciprocal of the gain, that means 100 divided by 125, and as the watch passes to three hands, therefore we have to multiply three times. 250 into 4 by 5 cube, that means the first purchased for 128 rupees. Therefore option A is the correct one. Now jump to the next question. A aeroplane first flew with a speed of 440 km per hour and covered a certain distance. It still had to cover 770 km less than what it had already covered, but it flew with a speed of 660 km per hour. The average speed for the entire flight was 550 km per hour. Find the total distance covered. Let the plane covers x kilometer. So first we assume that the total distance covered by the plane is x kilometer. With the speed of 440 km per hour and x minus 770 kilometer at a speed of 660 km per hour. Hence it covers a total distance of hence it covers a total distance of 2x minus 770 kilometer at a speed of 500 km per hour. Okay, therefore suppose this is x and this is x minus 770. Okay, therefore the average speed will be the total distance divided by the total time. The total distance is 2x minus 770 and the total time is x divided by 440 plus x minus 770 divided by 660, and the average speed is 500. Therefore after solving this we get 2x minus 770 divided by 500 is equals to x divided by 440 plus x minus 770 divided by 660. Hence from this we get x is equals to 760. Therefore the total distance covered is equals to 2x minus 770, which results in 2 into 1760 minus 770, and that is equals to 2750 kilometer. Now therefore the correct answer is option 2. Now let's see the next question. Three containers A, B, C having mixtures of milk and water in the ratio of 1:5, 3:5 and 5:7 respectively. If the capacities of the containers are 5:4:5, then find the ratio of milk to the water if the mixture of all the three containers are mixed with together. Okay. Hence we can write that the ratio of milk and water in container A is 1:5. Container B, for container B it is 3:5, and for C it is 5:7. And the ratio of size of the three container, the ratio of the size of the three containers is 5:4:5. Now if we mix all the milks of this three container, then we get the total amount of milk is 1/6 multiplied by 5, that is the fractional portion of milk in container A multiplied by the size of multiplied by the proportion of size of A. Then we added it to 38 multiplied by 4, and then 5/12 multiplied by 5. Now the total amount of water is 5/6 multiplied by 5 plus 5/8 multiplied by 4 plus 7/12 multiplied by 5. Okay, now after dividing these two terms we get the required ratio. Therefore the required ratio is equals to 106 divided by 230, therefore 53:115. So our required answer is 53:115. That is the option 3. Okay, so we have solved the questions from quants, and if you want to know more about this, you can join our classes, which is by WhatsApping us at 9836793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website for further details, which is www.sorosclasses.com is our website address. So thank you very much.